A new generation of the Forerunner watch includes an inbuilt power running detection function. When you're running, accompanied by a running dynamics pod or a runner's heart rate monitor, you don't need to download third-party apps. Your watch can track your running power records for you. Recording running power can exclude external factors such as terrain, wind direction, temperature, etc. These are objective resistance indicator. It is also a meticulously quantified running technique. These factors are what you'll consider as you adjust your training intensity and strategize your game plan. Before you start, please make sure your user information is correct, especially user's weight. Weight will directly impact running power's calculation. Additionally, threshold power will also affect calculation. This means the highest power value that can be maintained in a stable manner at the lactate threshold. In other words, the threshold power is available at this maintained intensity for 30 to 70 minutes without physical decline. This is equivalent to the intensity of a 10 km marathon or a half marathon. Please enter your measured threshold power into this section. This is how you set up. Long press on the up button into the menu. Select User Profile. Select Heart Rate and Power Zones. Select Power Zone. Select Running. Select Threshold Power. Once you enter your threshold power, you can start your power training. In the future, you can train as usual, familiarize yourself with power data and connect with different paces and see how you feel. Practice maintaining power steadily on different terrains and feel the difference from running at a fixed speed. You can try different running styles and observe the changes in power and pace. That's all for now for today's video. Thank you for watching.